Hello.
Hi, friends. Welcome back. Harmony Vintage Insider.
Yes.
Here we are. We are 7 days out from Valentine's Day.
And next Friday.
It's Friday, and it looks like spring out there.
I know. Wow. It's so pretty.
It's going to be 64 and sunny today.
Wow.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Holy smoke. So this feels right in time.
Yeah, that's probably why we're feeling so springish.
It is. I'm pretty sure if it was all snowy and gray, we'd be doing something else. But here we are. I'm not going to complain. I love it. Look at that blue sky.
Beautiful.
So here we go. Tell me about your week.
It's been a busy week.
It's been a busy week.
Not really sure why.
We've had a lot of busy weeks. We got the IOD thing coming up. We'll talk about that. We got the resource center thing. We worked a lot on that. So we've been busy.
We have.
So it's been good. It's a good thing. It's good to be working with you. It's great to work with your best friend, and it's even better when she's your wife. So that is wonderful. Anything you'd like to get into, or should we just get down to it?
No. Well, I was going to say we did work on a couple of new soaps this week.
Oh, we did work on new soaps. That one right over there. Coconut lime.
Yep.
Very limey.
We get to cut that one today.
So fresh.
And it's green. It's
nice
pretty.
And green. Yes. So I'm excited about that. Yesterday, you remember what we did?
Coffee House.
Coffee House. We did Coffee House. So we're expanding our soap collection and having a good time doing it. So that's awesome.
It's fun.
What else?
And then, you mentioned IOD yesterday. I spent a good part of the day putting all the products. You can't see them yet on the website, but they're there and ready for when they're released.
So they're locked and loaded.
They are.
Locked and loaded. And how many pieces is that?
17 new products.
So and
we'll have all of them.
February 13th, 17 new products become available from IOD, and they will be on the website.
HarmonyVintageDecor.com.
All we have to do is hit the little activate button, and they will be live. Remember, we do, so far, we have a 100% next available day shipping. And we have every intention of keeping that intact.
Yes.
So there's that. So
and they will also be available at Vintage Marketplace in Fort Collins and Sugarmill in Meade. Yes.
So those are great places to shop as well, especially for Valentine's Day. Sugarmill, off of I-25 and 66 is a great place to shop. I was looking at some of their numbers. They have over 80 merchants and local artisans.
Nice.
80.
Yeah.
And they have a 98% recommended rate. So
very nice.
They are doing hardcore Valentines right now. You have 7 days, gentlemen. This is your last warning. So get into Sugarmill. You can shop small business. Always a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Think happy dance, right?
Yes.
When the numbers come in and we've had a good day, how big's our happy dance?
Oh, it's big.
It is so big. It's a thank you, Jesus happy dance. Let's see. Shop local, shop vintage and handmade. They're always the most wonderful. Yeah. And then there is, I'm pointing. This is me pointing to Vintage Marketplace.
Yeah.
And they're actually doing kind of a cool thing this weekend. You want to do that?
Yeah. So Vintage Marketplace is having a Sweetheart 3-day sale. It started today, and it runs through closing on Sunday. So what that is, everything in the store is at least 10% off, and some things are up to 50% off. So that's a terrific place to go and find some cool Valentine gifts.
Absolutely. If you're watching this Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, it is going on right now. So that's awesome.
Yeah. Okay. And there's over 60 vendors there. So
there you go. I mean,
that's a lot of variety and a lot of small businesses that you can support.
Right. What is that? Over 140, 60 small businesses between the two places.
Yeah.
I love that. That makes me so happy. That makes me so happy.
Awesome.
Thank you to Sarah and Van and Kim for making these available.
Yeah.
Should we get into some products?
Yes, we're pulling out some spring.
We're whipping out some springtime on you. I'm glad it's sunny. It fits the mood better, right?
You know what? It just kind of makes me happy looking at all these pretty spring colors.
I look forward to winter when it comes, and then by now I'm moving on, right?
Yeah.
We grew up a lot in Phoenix, where there really isn't a harsh winter, so it's a little bit different living here, and I like it when it comes, and I like it when it goes.
Right.
So what do you want to talk about? Let's do Angie's picks.
Well, I was thinking about, so we've been talking about the garden that we're going to have this year, and I'm guessing some of you are doing that too. So I thought it would be, we got this great estate sale lot where we bought like a woman's collection of books, and she had a lot of gardening books. So we already have some in the booth. We're going to bring some more. This is Taylor's Guide to Perennials. This is pretty awesome, and there are lots of books kind of like that. And these are just $9.95. So they do vary a little bit. I'm not sure what's already in the booth. Might have some slightly different prices, but they're all pretty good prices for pretty awesome books.
There's a little bird in the dog's water. It looks very springy out there.
Oh.
So, I was going to say about the books is when I can't be doing something, I like to fish. If I can't be fishing, I like to play with my tackle box, or I like to read about the things I'm doing. So when I can't do what I want to do, I like to read about it, and that seems like a good gardening thing right now.
Oh, yeah. Full of lots of pictures of beautiful flowers, and you can start dreaming now about what your garden's going to look like.
All the vegetables, all the flowers, all the...
Yes.
There we go. So there you go. Books. What else do you have?
Yeah, and then also, I don't know if you could completely see it in the picture, but we got this really cool galvanized metal box.
Organizer?
Maybe an organizer. So it hangs on the wall. On one side it says seeds, on the other it has tools, and these are like really nice big pockets that you could use. You could use it for decor if you wanted to put a plant or something in there, or you could use it to actually organize.
It could be fashion or function. Tools. I could see it just sitting on somebody's planting table just like that too.
Yeah, that would be really cute.
Really cool. Nice.
Oh, and this is going to be $16.95.
Nice. There's some planting things for you. I'm not going to let you off the mat till you talk about your pots.
Oh yeah. I have. So we have these little pots here. They're just clay pots that we painted white swan, DIY white swan, and then we used the crockery stamps on them. And
that one's nice. That one's got the crackle
isn't that
stamp.
So cute? And a little bit of the crackle stamp too. So these have been a little bit distressed, and I just love these. This is a style that I have in our home. I have this type of pots.
Literally 3 of them right over there.
I don't know. I just like them. I think they're kind of fresh and adorable. And so, yeah, we have a variety of them. Most of them are these 4-inch pots. We have a couple of, here's a 6-inch pot, just a little bit bigger. And we did stamp on both sides too. So, what's
fun is to watch a terracotta pot come in here, and then to watch what you turn it into is very cool. So this takes your normal 4-inch terracotta pot and turns it into art. It turns it into something nice. So
a clay pot is one of my favorite blank canvases.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. I know you like to paint them, but I didn't know they were at the top. So
I love them.
That's cool. Let's see. So a variable of pots, clay pots, and then I love these little bunnies.
Aren't they sweet?
I just love the little bunnies. There's 2 of them. The candles are, I guess, not even sold separately. The candles are just I put in there to show that they're little bunny candle holders. They are $5.99. We've talked about how I like fire and candles and springtime. So this is kind of a meshing. This is a dovetailing of the things that I like right here. And then this one here, I know this is a thing, but this just looks like an angry bunny to me. I don't know if you can see that.
I don't think she looks angry.
You don't think that looks good? Well, the pink eyes I don't know. They could be cute. They could be a rabid farm animal. I don't know.
That's hilarious.
A little terrifying on the bunny, and that is, what was that? $12.99, and be going into the booth to celebrate spring. And then you made these wall pockets over here. I love these. I'm going to bring this one over.
Yeah. Well, I used a little bit of IOD. I used some stamps. They say Happy Spring, and then I used some transfers also, just to kind of brighten them up, and those would be great. Those can sit, or they could hang on a wall. Mm-hmm. Either one, they work perfectly both ways. And yeah, you could put some flowers in them, or put your mail in there, whatever you want.
Yeah, this one says, what color is this?
That is mermaid tail.
Mermaid tail with some IOD transfer and stamp on it. Mm-hmm. And this one here is, what's this say?
That also says Happy Spring.
Got some nice.
That's cowboy coral.
Cowboy coral. Those are two
cowgirl
nice.
Coral.
Cowgirl.
I don't know which it is. Maybe cowgirl coral. But yeah, both DIY colors.
And then maybe the last thing. I love this plate.
Me too.
This is just a cool plate. I don't know. What are those boards called now where everybody's making
charcuterie?
Yes, a charcuterie board. I can see some lunch meat and cheese on there for spring. Charcuterie boards just seem like grown-up snackables to me.
I think they kind of are.
But they're good. I eat them all the time.
Yeah, no one's sad to see a charcuterie.
Yeah, you show up to your potluck or your whatever it is with a charcuterie board, you can know you're going home empty-handed. That's a win.
Yeah. So yeah, this is kind of a fun little haul of spring items to brighten up your home.
Yes, absolutely. And again, it's such a beautiful day. I hope you're watching this on Friday, because if it snows tomorrow, this is going to seem very out of character. So.
Is it supposed to snow tomorrow?
I have no idea.
I hope not. We're going to go on a hike, I think.
I still want to go on a hike. That'll be so nice. Let's see. I want to hit up your tutorials.
Oh, yeah. Those are going well.
Yeah, that one has like over 900 views.
That's crazy.
Thank you guys for watching those. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching those. They are amazing. You're getting lots of feedback on them.
I am.
Some
requests.
Yes, some requests. Somebody made a request about blending the other day, and I just watched all the color go right out of me.
I know. Blending it's something I really want to learn how to do. I haven't done very much of it, and so you know what? I appreciate the request, because that gives me a reason to work on it.
You know what? And it's crazy when I saw that color run out of your face, and I knew what it meant. But I think blending is one of the things you do best. So I'm surprised to hear you're intimidated by it. Well,
so blending with chalk paint, that is one of the strengths of chalk paint, is that it is fairly easy to blend. I guess, and I do blend, but I'm thinking like that perfect blending. I'm not that. Like Brush by Brandy, some of these other artisans are amazing at blending, and I would not say that I am there yet.
What's the other girl? Turquoise
Iris. Yes.
So
I mean, there are a lot of amazing chalk painters out there.
Oh yes.
I do not put myself in that group.
I do. Oh, if you won't, I will. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Yeah. Thank you for liking on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for sharing.
Yes.
Please subscribe if you're on YouTube, and feel free to comment. We try to get back to everybody.
Yes.
I don't think we've missed one. It might take a day or two, but
we have a couple outstanding right now. But
we will get on those right after this. But mostly we're just grateful. Living a blessed life. Getting to do this with you, something I love with someone I love, is an amazing place to be in my life. And spring is just around the corner. So yay for us. So thank you, everybody. Love you guys. Please shop Sugarmill, Highway 66 and I-25. Please shop Vintage Marketplace at the corner of Trilby and College. And gentlemen, you have 7 days. So get out, shop local, shop small. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.